Welcome back to Chef Ricardo in the kitchen. In your kitchen, we're gonna show you how you can make yourself a nice, lovely, fresh homemade salad. Different kind of leaves, mixed leaves, cucumber, plum tomato, little bit of cheese and stuff and bits and pieces to bring to work. Hopefully you like the recipe. Subscribe to the channel. Visit my blog at chefricardocooking.com. Leave your comments and we have a lot more recipe to inspire you guys. We all know that recipe getting too much and you know that. So today we're going to show you how you can make yourself a nice, lovely, simple salad at home to bring to work and share with your friend. Enjoy the recipe. Nice. Thank you. And lovely. So this is my mix-up leaf right over here, guys. Look at this. All kind of mix-up leaf inside of this tub right here. Basically, I just buy some mix-up leaf that come just like this. I don't even need to cut it up. You can serve it just like this, guys. So basically, what I want to show you, I'm already start to wash it off. I have, let me explain it to you. This is just a quarter of a cucumber which I just cut off, and I'm gonna simply show you something, one of the best way. Or you can cut your cucumber just like this, very small. Don't do what I'm doing at home. Please use a very small knife to angle your stuff, guys. So right here, this is the cucumber, and this is my tomato right over here, and I'm just gonna simply cut this into about 6 pieces. That's 6 pieces. I got some cherry tomato also inside of it. A little bit of spring onion just to bring up the flavor a little bit, not too much. Nice one. And also you can put a little pinch of peppers. I love my pepper. Don't feel any way, guys, when you see I'm doing so much things with pepper and spring onion. I love my veg. Cut it up very small. Lovely and nice. So right here, as you can see, this is just really nice and beautiful, and hopefully you guys will love the recipe. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching the cooking program. So right here, this is my fresh veggies salad right here. Just look at this, and I'm gonna put everything inside of this little tub right here, so you guys can see exactly what I'm talking about. Nice one. Put that on the side. We don't need that. Look at this. This is a healthy veg right here salad recipe. Is just beautiful. I don't want to simply say to you, put this at the side. I have this little bit of feta cheese and some olive. I'm just gonna simply put it on top of it like this. Next thing, just a little bit of coarse pepper on top of it, just like that. So basically, guys, what I want to simply say to you right here, this is just a simple little salad which you can do this yourself at home and share with the family. This is just a little bit of feta cheese I put on top of it, and as you can see, very easy and simple to prepare. So enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching the cooking program. We got a lot more recipe like this coming up for you. Thank you. Bye bye.